Hey guys, this is Abhishek from gadgetstreet.com, and today we are going to do a quick hands-on comparison of these three phones we have from HTC, and they are launched from HTC today in India. When it comes to the pricing of these three phones, the HTC Desire 700 comes for a price of around 33,050 rupees as far as the MOP is concerned, or the market operating price is concerned. When it comes to the price for HTC Desire 601, it comes for a price of 24,190, and for HTC Desire 501 it comes for a price of 16,890. So out of all these three phones, these two are dual active plus dual standby. That means you can actually use two SIM card on these two devices and you won't miss the call from any of these two devices in terms of the two SIM card whenever you are using them. When it comes to this device is dual active standby, not dual active but dual standby basically, but these two are dual active plus standby. So in terms of the overall features and the value for money, I would say the HTC Desire 501 is the best value for money device out of all these three. In terms of the overall hardware specification, it may not be the top-notch specification which you will get on this phone. You get 1.2 GHz dual-core processor, you get 8 GB of internal memory, but you get 1 GB of RAM, and then you get sufficient amount of internal memory as well. And you also have the option of expanding the memory on any of these three phones with a micro SD memory card. So you can expand the memory with a micro SD memory card on any of these three phones. And HTC also claims that you can actually install applications on the SD card as well, and we will confirm that later on. As far as other specifications are concerned, I would like to say that these phones are pretty good in terms of the weight scenario as well. This one weigh around 130 gram, this one weigh around around 130 gram again, and when it comes to HTC Desire 700, it weigh around 149 gram. So in terms of the overall specifications, these devices are different. In terms of the value for money, definitely HTC Desire 501 is a better value for money device. When it comes to the camera on the back side, we can see we have an 8 megapixel camera on the HTC Desire 501, and when it comes to the camera which we have on the HTC Desire 601, it has a 5 megapixel camera at the back side, and when it comes to the Desire 700, it has a 8 megapixel camera. So these two devices has 8 megapixel camera, whereas this one has the 5 megapixel camera. And again, you do have backside illuminated sensor on all these three phones. When it comes to the secondary mic, we can easily notice that there is a secondary mic on this device for noise cancellation when video chat. However, we cannot locate the same on these two devices in terms of the secondary mic positioning, or it might be inside the body, but we are not sure. Again, the back cover is removable on all of these three phones. You can also insert a micro SD memory card on all of these three phones. In terms of the loudspeaker placement, it is kind of different because the loudspeaker is actually at the back on the Desire 501, whereas it is on the front side on the HTC Desire 601. On 700, you have the loudspeaker over here, as you can see, and again you have dual loudspeaker on the Desire 601 and the 700, whereas you do not have that kind of design over the 501 because this is I guess the most budget phone out of all these three in terms of the price as well, in terms of the overall specifications as well. Again, when it comes to 700, you will get a quad-core processor, 1.2 gigahertz. You will get same amount of internal memory on all of these three phones. You have 1 GB of RAM on all of these three phones. When it comes to the battery, you have 2100 milliampere hour battery on all of these three phones, which is again a quite commendable thing because in terms of the battery, all these three phones are going to be same. In terms of the overall backup time, you will definitely get a little bit better backup time from the HTC Desire 501, which is the 4.3-inch display device, where when it comes to the Desire 601 basically, it has a display of around 11.43 centimeter. I'm not sure how much inches it is, but again the display size of the 501 is definitely a little bit lesser, but there is not a much difference if you actually compare both of these phones together. So when it comes to 700, it is definitely much higher in terms of the display size. It has you can say a 5-inch display, so it is going to be the much better for out of all these two. It has got a 1.2 gigahertz processor. It is going to give you a better performance in day-to-day usage. So that's all from us as far as the quick hands-on comparison of these three phones. We would love to help you. If you have any specific questions, you can leave them in the comment section below. Do let us know if you have any specific questions. So one more thing I forgot to highlight is that the availability. So when it comes to the availability of these two phones is going to be around 25th of December, or the festive season in December, basically around Christmas, whereas this one is going to be available from the next week around 15th or 16th. You will get this device in the market. So you can like this video if this video helped you by clicking the like button below. You can subscribe to our YouTube video channel for more videos like this by clicking the subscribe button below. Thanks for watching this video. This is Abhishek signing off. Thank you and